Today, we do expect to learn more about the suspects in a road rage shooting that took the life of 4-year-old Gore Adamian.
Yeah, the incident over the weekend in Lancaster had the city's mayor speaking out on what he'd like to happen to the suspects and also the investigation. Fox 11's Chelsea Edwards has more.
Moments after gunshots rang out along Sierra Highway Friday night, people in nearby businesses rushed out to help. Just before 7:30 p.m., sheriff's officials say a mother and father were driving in Lancaster with their 4-year-old son in the back seat when another driver cut them off and then started chasing them. When the family slowed down on Sierra Highway near East Avenue J, the other driver pulled up alongside their car and started shooting, hitting and killing the 4-year-old boy.
There is absolutely no excuse for this. It is just domestic terrorism at its worst.
Lancaster Mayor R.X. Paris says the city's new high-tech crime-fighting system quickly led authorities to the driver and shooter.
There was a dash cam that picked up part of the plate, and once we had part of the plate, we could track it. And we tracked it to a hotel.
A man and a woman in their 20s were both arrested.
I wish they had shot them at the apprehension. Let's be clear about that. You cannot go into cities and shoot 4-year-old children and expect anything resembling due process. And the fact that they got it was unfortunate. I'm not a big proponent of the death penalty, but there are some crimes that require something more than what they're giving people, because it's getting worse.
Paris says crimes like these will not be tolerated.
We're going to make Lancaster a place where you are absolutely out of your mind to come here and commit a crime, because we will catch you. We're putting the technology together to do that. And I recognize, and it grieves me, that that is going to result in a loss of privacy that people should have a right to expect. I think they would rather give up their privacy than their lives, certainly the lives of their children.
That was Chelsea Edwards reporting. Deputies have not said what triggered the road rage in the first place. They're still investigating and asking anyone with information to give them a call.